What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if the camera is not working or camera failed error in HyperOS. So to fix this error, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle. When this circle gets green, then you can restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the camera issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera icon and then tap on this information icon, and here go to its storage. Now in storage, clear the cache memory. So to clear it, tap on clear data, and here it will show a option of clear cache. So tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. And after that the cache memory will be cleared, and after that the camera will start working properly. So that's how you can fix if the camera is not working or showing camera failed error in HyperOS. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.